Okay, so I'm going to show you today how you can add somebody to an action funnel in ClickFunnels when they've clicked on a particular link, or any link, in fact, within an email broadcast. So the reason that I did this is I actually wanted to give people the opportunity to register for a webinar, but if they did register for the webinar, then they would be added to an action funnel and receive a free course. So in my email, I said, hey, if you register for this webinar that's on tomorrow night, then you'll also get our free email mini course. And then I realized that, how on earth do I do that? So the quickest way to do it is actually just to, first of all, create an email list. So just over here in Actionetics, I created an email list called SA Mini Course List, and it's a smart list. So what you would do there is you just click on Smart List Settings, and when you're setting this up, it would be clicked in broadcast equal to the email that you sent out. And then so that's the condition to get everybody into this smart list. And now you have them in a smart list, you can create an action funnel which feeds off that smart list. So here you can see I created another action funnel just here. And the conditions for this is that they've joined that particular list. In fact, that's just up there. There we go. So this action funnel is initiated when somebody joins that list. And then that's it. You can just add all your emails and everything. And as you can see, within minutes, bam, it's just sent out a load of emails. So those people have now got that free email course in my action funnel just by clicking on a link within an email broadcast. So amazingly, what ClickFunnels support wanted me to do was to actually send people in the list to go and opt in for the free course, which would mean they have to put their name and email in again, but they're already on my email list. And, I'm asking them if they want it by saying, click on this link. So there's no need to do that all over again and create a landing page and all the rest of it. Aggravation, just say basically register for the webinar, or click on the link, and then bam, they're just going to get the automatic course delivered to them day by day using the action funnel. So a lot easier than making them go through it all over again. Hope that helps you guys. As usual, under the video, if you want a free trial of ClickFunnels to use for your inbound marketing for your business, then just click the link below and it'll give you 14 days free to try out ClickFunnels in full. Check out all of my other videos for more help and support on ClickFunnels, and I hope this helps. Have a great day.